an elegant collection of short hairstyle ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Prepare to be amazed as we showcase a variety of stunning short haircuts, including pixie cuts, bob hairstyles, and more. These amazing hairstyles will not only make you feel confident but also make you look absolutely fabulous. So join me today as we explore over 100 unique haircut ideas in gorgeous colors, all featured in my video. No matter where you are from, USA, UK, Canada, or anywhere else in the world, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to stay on the top of the latest summer fashion trends. In today's video, we have a special treat in store for you. We will showcase a wide range of short hairstyles that are sure to spark your creativity and help you find your perfect. From sleek pixie cuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have got you covered. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of short hair. When it comes to short hairstyles, the options are truly endless. In this video, we have selected more than 100 different haircut ideas that suits a wide range of styles and preferences. Prepare to be mesmerized by the beauty of various colors, styles, and lengths, all carefully selected to enhance your natural features and make a bold fashion statement. One of the highlights of this video is the captivating pixie cut. Pixie haircuts are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit any face, shape, and personality. Whether you prefer an elegant and sophisticated look or a more playful style, there is a pixie cut that is perfect for you. These short hairstyles not only exude elegance but also require low maintenance, making them a great choice for busy people who still wants to look their best. As you watch this video, you will notice the stunning range of colors that can transform your short hair into a true work of art. From classic black to warm browns, there's a color that will perfectly match your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. We have also included some amazing transformative haircuts in this video. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair who opt for a bold and confident short haircut. It is truly remarkable to see how a simple haircut can completely transform a person's appearance. These transformations serve as a powerful reminder of the impact a new hairstyle can have on self-esteem and overall appearance. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. Remember to stay tuned till the end as we have many more stunning hairstyles to share with you. We have hear from you. Leave a comment in the comment section below, sharing the styles you like the most and how they inspired you to adopt a new look. If you have not already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. By doing this, you will never miss out on our latest videos, which are packed with amazing hairstyle ideas, helpful tips, and informative tutorials. We want to be your go-to source for all things short hair, and we are excited to bring you even more amazing content in the future. Thank you so much for joining me today on my YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed this display of beautiful and inspiring short hairstyles. Remember, your hair is your best accessory, and experimenting with different styles is a great way to express your creativity and embrace your unique identity. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.